So yeah, guys, first video into the series and it already bit me. So yeah, let's see how that goes.
Welcome to Average Gear Review.
Real quick, guys, just remember this is just one in a series of videos that we're doing. So make sure that you like the video, leave a comment down below, let me know what knife you want to see next, and make sure you subscribe with your notifications turned on so you can follow along with the series. Okay, let's get back to it.
But the best gear is the gear you have on.
Ainhue. Ainhue. How do you pronounce it? What's up, guys? Average Gear Reviewer here, back again with another quick little unboxing for you. In this one, we're taking a look at a really cool little titanium knife. If you've been looking for something that's an upgrade of sort of like a Swiss Army knife, you know, the little smaller type, like this, if you've been looking for something that's an upgrade on that, but in maybe titanium and D2, this might be the thing for you. It's from a company called Ainhue. They're a subset of Samior knives. If you're not familiar with Samior knives, they make some really nice gentleman knives in pretty nice materials. I'll try to put a link for their website up here if you want to go check them out. They're not sponsoring the video. I'm not affiliated with them or anything. I got this because it's really cool. Let's get into this box. Apologies, guys. And here we are at the top-down view. This is going to actually be part 2. In full disclosure, I just recorded really nice, just really nice little top-down view unboxing for you guys, and realized I never pressed record. So just want to, full disclosure, I've already opened this up. I feel bad because I don't feel like I'm giving you guys a true unboxing now, but I did want to give you full disclosure on that. It really just recorded the whole thing and realized that it still was paused. So anyway, it comes in a plain little sort of aluminum, basic aluminum. I'm just bummed, guys. I'm just really bummed. Sorry. Anyway, it is really super cool. So it comes in a nice little aluminum case, just packaged in some plastic wrap, which, as you can see, has already been cut into. And inside we have the knife itself. Not very big, but it is really nice looking. Just look at the texture on these scales. I just, that is so cool. I believe this is called a tree bark texture. If you guys are interested in picking one of these up, it is from Ainhue. I don't know if they're, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right or not. They're made by Samior. I'm sure you guys probably have seen some of their gentleman knives. If not, check out their website at samior.com. You can see they make some really cool gentleman type knives. You've got a 2-inch blade on this, and as I said, it's a D2 steel blade. Not sure about the Rockwell hardness on that, so come at me in the comments, I guess, but I'm not sure, so I'm not going to say. It does have a nice clip point blade, and it's half serrated. So 2-inch half serrated clip point, and it's just a slip joint, but it's nice, got a nice lock up to it. There's the half lock and fully locked out. It's nice. Doesn't have any side to side play at all to the lock, and it has a nice feel to it when it's locked up there, and good snap shut to it as well. And then it comes with a secondary blade, which is also D2. It's 1.7 inches long, and it has a flat point screwdriver here, a bottle opener, and looks like a wire stripper. Also, you've got a nail nick up here for opening it up, and it also has a good lock on it as well. Doesn't seem to have any side to side blade play at all. We've got some pivots here that I'll have to check those out and see exactly what they are for you guys. They look like T6 to me. They're very small, but they are captives, it looks like. So this side's not going to spin and this side will, which is really cool for something so small and inexpensive. These were running, I think, about $27 the last time that I looked. I'll have a link for them down in the description below, and you can check and see what they're running on Amazon. But you know, I wanted to get it for Shannon, and she has sort of a stainless steel look to her EDC. And she said that she really liked the old, like case, old timer type knives, just the old slip joint, you know, lock back type knives. And I found this one and I thought it was really cool. I thought it would complement sort of what she's already carrying, which I'll show you guys that in a second. And like I said, I'll show you an example of a little stainless steel EDC that you could do with this one, used as sort of like a little small Swiss Army knife. It does have the end here has it's fit for a lanyard hole there, but you can also see that you can use this as a pry bar. So a lot of neat little function. And these scales are titanium. They're milled titanium. Seems to have a really good fit and finish all around to it. Everything fits together really well. Again, there wasn't any play to the blades at all, back and forth. So seems to be pretty good quality to me. The size is, I like the size. It's a little bit bigger than, let me pull out the little Swiss Army knife for you guys here. Did that just cut me? I don't think so. Here's like the smaller, you know, classic SD type Swiss Army knife. And you can see the size comparison to it here. Now this one, when it's fully opened up, is 4.9 inches. So that's going to have a 2.9 inch blade, or 2.9 inch handles. Sorry there. And that might be including the pry bar tip here as that length. I'm imagining that does include that. It says a 2.9 inch handle. Weighing in at just 1.54 ounces, so it's super lightweight. But you can see how it compares to the smaller Swiss Army knife. And here is the Swisstick Werdig, which is just a little bit bigger than the Swiss Army knife, but still it's quite a bit bigger than those. So this to me would be like a gentleman EDC knife that you could maybe add on to an existing EDC. So I'm thinking maybe, like right now, Shannon carries the CJRB Pyrite Alt, which is the thumbhole Warncliffe version, all stainless steel. She really likes the just the clean aesthetic of just the plain stainless steel. So I thought this would go really well with that. She also carries a lighter bro in the stainless steel. So I thought, you know, that would really, it's really going to complement kind of what she's carrying right now. So let me just address the elephant in the room real quick here, just in case anybody was wondering. Yes, it did get me. And yes, this knife is very sharp right out of the box. So I don't know if that clip point got me or if the serrated part got me, but it got me pretty good. So yeah, had to band-aid up. I'm one knife into a 15 knife opening, and the first one already has bit me, so that just doesn't bode well, I don't think. Anyway, what I was talking about before I got so rudely interrupted by Mr. Sharpie Sharperton here, I was thinking this might make a good part of like a stainless steel EDC. So you have something like the Mech Army mini bolt action pin, the Flatanium fly bar, you got the CJRB Pyrite Alt, the Letterbro Pro, of course, and the Ainhue au001 is what they're calling this one. So yeah, I'll have a link for all this stuff too, maybe in the description down there if you guys be interested in picking up a nice little stainless steel EDC. I think this is a pretty cool little carry here myself. But yeah, I think it's a nice little knife, and you know, like I said, it does seem to be quite sharp right out of the box. So let's go ahead and do a little cut test here. Oh yeah, man, that thing is D2 steel. It is razor sharp right out of the box, guys. I already knew that because when it cut me, I wasn't sure if it got me or not for a second. You know, sometimes they're so sharp you don't realize that they actually cut you for a minute or two there. Yeah, it is very sharp. Of course, these serrations are good for tearing through things like 550 cord or nylon straps, things like that allow you to get through that a little quicker. So you got a nice bit of utility here in a small 2-inch blade, and I like that. Adds quite a bit of utility to what's already a pretty useful knife. And to me, it's like a Swiss Army knife sort of in a titanium form factor. And again, let's just take a look at those scales. Those are just so cool. I absolutely love the texturing on those. And the way it all fits together, it's very nice. And I'm sure these will get a nice patina over time. They'll darken up. So, yeah, I really, really like it. I think Shannon's going to love it. I know she'll probably end up carrying it a lot. And yeah, so this is the first knife, obviously, of the 15 knife new knife month series that I'm doing. I've got 4 more I got to get cranked out really quick. But this is one that I had to get open because I wanted to give to her so she could be carrying it around. But anyway, let me know what you think about this one in the comments down below. Again, I'll have a link down there in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself or for one of your loved ones. But anyway, guys, as I always say, always be carrying. And remember, the best gear is the gear you have on you. Average Gear Reviewer, I'm out of here. Okay, guys, so we are opening this one first. Which one do you think should be next? Vote in the comments down below.
Average Gear Review. But the best gear is the gear you have on you.